Ready to open a Citibank checking account? Let's do it in minutes. Step 1. Choose a checking account: basic, interest, or preferred. Pick what fits your needs. Step 2. Gather required documents: government ID, social security number, and proof of address. Step 3. Open Citibank.com or the Citibank app and start the online application. Estimated time for online setup is about 10 to 20 minutes depending on verification. Have your funding ready. Use a debit card or enter an external bank routing and account number for the initial deposit. Step 4. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your government ID to avoid verification problems. Step 5. Verify your identity using a photo of your ID, selfie, or instant bank verification when available. Step 6. Review account terms, set up security preferences, and opt for paperless statements if you prefer. Common mistakes to avoid: mismatched names, incorrect routing numbers, and weak passwords. Quick tips: use a desktop for uploads, double-check all numbers, enable two-factor authentication, and save your confirmation email. You're all set. Start now at Citibank.com and open your checking account today.